So I've always really enjoyed looking for unique pieces of wood, and for the last few years I've kind of been hoarding a number of these pieces, and today I'm going to cut them up and see what I've got. Sometimes they are absolute gems and sometimes they are trash, but we are going to find out together. So I'm not actually sure what kind of wood this is. It was a piece of firewood that was just given to me, but it was way too cool to burn. And there are a lot of imperfections, a lot of gaps and cracks and places where insects have been. But with epoxy nowadays, you can fill a lot of those and it's still a usable piece. So I was pretty happy with it. This piece especially is very cool. So this is a piece of pine. It's an old piece that I found on a trail nearby. Very twisted piece. I just knew there'd be interesting grain inside, and these two pieces are very cool book matched. It's another piece of the same pine. Also very cool book matched. Beautiful. So this one is a pine root that I've had for a few years, and it's one of the coolest ones I've ever seen. It's just beautiful. And I'm not going to slab this one because I think I might want to make it into some kind of a bowl. But it has beautiful grain too. This is a piece of ash just from the firewood pile. And I thought it might have interesting grain, and it really does, even for ash, which is kind of boring normally. But a couple of really nice book-matched pieces here. This is bur oak from probably my favorite place in the whole world, in the backcountry. I found it dead and cut it and carried it out on my back. A really cool piece too. Small but really pretty grain. This is a pine burl that I've had for a long time, and I might make this into a bowl also. Milling these small pieces can be a little tedious at times, but I think it's just so awesome to use local pieces that you find yourself, and it really adds something for me personally to woodworking projects. I also think there's a lot of great uses for these small pieces, like drawer fronts, like bow ties, things like that. Things that don't have to be so big, but you can use really interesting parts of pieces that you find. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.